The criminal underworld has plagued our city streets with violence and corruption. A bloody gangland war between the city's two major criminal organizations. One side headed by James Jimmy Sullivan, and the other led by Salvatore Fat Sal Rizzo. Their blood has spilled into our streets with no sign of stopping. That was until a ceasefire was called on both sides after the death of William Billy Sullivan, the younger brother of the notorious crime boss James Jimmy Sullivan. How long will this peace last before we see bloodshed once more?
Right, Butch. That's us done here. And the boss has got us 2 more stops over in the east side. Not anymore, it ain't. The boss says we be running the entire city by the end of the month. He's gone yellow since we whacked his kid brother. Yeah, wait, what? It sleeps with the fishes. No, it's not. You said Billy Sullivan plays with the fishes. No, it ain't. Why would he play with the fishes? Forget about it. Yeah.
Listen up, fellas. We've had a bad week. We've only made half the dough we usually make, and Rizzo's been cutting in on our liquor rackets. Pretty soon we'll be out of business. I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to hit him back now when they're not expecting it. What's the matter? You gone yellow? Suppose you think I had forgot about my kid brother Billy too, eh? Of course I'm right, you dummy. Now smarten up. Now listen up. I got a plan. I think you got him, fellas. Light him up, boys. I think you got him, fellas.
Yeah. Wait, what? You mean sleeps with the fishes?
Well, if it ain't my handsome boy, Jimmy. For me? Oh, Jimmy, they're lovely. You're too good to me. You shouldn't have. It isn't got anything to do with what I've seen in the papers, now has it? Now, Jimmy, tell me what's going on. Now, you just be careful out there. I couldn't take losing another son. You never mind me now. You just watch your back. Now sit down, and I'll fix you some Irish cavour, just the way you like it. Ah, my boy. Well, you treat her as good as you treat me, you hear?
Hello, Ma. Here, I got you something. Nothing but the best for you. Don't sweat it. Things are finally looking up. Nothing gets by you, Ma. Maybe you ought to be running things. Let's just say I got a promotion. You worry too much, Ma. I can take care of myself, and I'm going to take care of you. I'm going to take you out of this dump and buy you a big house. Set you up real nice, you'll see. I can't stay. I got a date tonight. I ought to clean myself up. I will, Ma. Hello, Ma. I got you son, Ma. Nothing but the best for you, Ma. Don't sweat it, Ma. Things are finally looking up. Nothing gets by you, Ma. Maybe you ought to be running things. You worry too much, Ma. I can take care of myself, and I'm going to take care of you. I'm going to take you out of this dump and buy you a big house. Set you up real nice, you'll see. I can't stay, Ma. I got a date tonight. I ought to clean myself up. I will, Ma. Now, you listen here. If you're going to be my girl, expect nothing but the best.
Thanks, Jimmy. I had a wonderful time tonight. Oh, Jimmy, you've been so good to me. How could I ever repay you? You know, a gentleman would come see me good night.
What's the problem, officer? I wasn't speeding. What's the problem, officer? I wasn't speeding.
Dirty fucking rat.
Right, Butch. That's us done here. And the boss has give us 2 more stops over on east side. Not anymore, it ain't. The boss says we be running the entire city by the end of the month.
Are you ready for a moment of adventure? Travel lands. Yes, lands! Converse with others. Discover ancient ruins and wield the sword that can stop it all. Define your life. Nay, your parents' life. By choosing the class that's right for you. By borrowing your parents' credit card, you can buy the game now for only $14.99. You can defeat evil or become the evil. Cardboard heroes. Buy it now. See you there, adventurers.
Damn on, I will go. I will
China.
Hey! What? I do really what? And the one day, I know I'll die. And what I don't you know about that? You live with the machine. I think it got. You live when I live like a war. All over the way, John, going to go.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
I don't know. I don't know. We don't want this. I don't know. I don't want. No, go hold on. I got PPI. I don't really want this. That's alright. That's alright. Oh, you. Alright. I